What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing a MartinLogan speaker. In particular, the Motion series, the SLM XL. This is a very low profile on-wall speaker. The guys are actually working on right behind me, getting these mounted to the wall as we speak. But I wanted to get this unboxed, let you guys know that we do sell this product. We have a low price guarantee and nationwide free shipping. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. MartinLogan is one of my favorite manufacturers. They make a folded motion tweeter, which is really what they're known for. It gives you incredible clarity and dialogue. So the first thing you see when you open it up is a quick start guide and a warranty card included right here. And also, they include a template, which is nice because most of the time you're wall mounting these guys, and it's very precise. The template is the actual size of the speaker. You can mount these vertically as well as horizontally. In this particular situation, behind me, what we're doing is two vertically on the sides of the screen, centered, and then one horizontally down below the screen. We're going to try to give it the same distance to the sides as well as below to give it a very nice aesthetic look. It includes a magnetic MartinLogan emblem. Make sure you show off your speaker. And then, let's see what else we got here. Okay, they do a very nice job of packaging it up. Pull this guy out. Now guys, while I'm opening this, I do want to mention that it is important that you purchase from an authorized reseller whenever you're buying equipment online. I know a lot of people are scared to purchase online, and they should be. If there's anything wrong with your equipment and you don't purchase from an authorized reseller, you're basically out of luck. The manufacturer isn't going to cover that under warranty. And if you invest in a quality speaker, you definitely want to ensure that you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. That way you are covered. So let's see what we have here. This is a stand, so these can also be just freestanding. Like if, say, you have your TV sitting on top of a table, you can just have them like sitting off to the left and right as stereo audio. That's also an option. This here, this is the wall mount bracket. I'll show you what that looks like.
Yeah,
this is the application that we're using today.
Because
it's just a very basic, slim mount. It keeps the speaker really close to the wall, and it basically just hangs on there like a hook. Very simple design, but it gets the job done. One other thing before I show you the speaker, and that is the other stand, as well as you can do like a, they have several different ways you can set this up. This is so if you want to just basically have it sitting as a center speaker, like leaned up a little bit backwards, with the speaker sitting on your stand like that. So they give you plenty of options, that's for sure. They even include the screws for wall mounting it, drywall anchors, and the screws for putting it on the feet. Pretty much everything you need to complete that install. And it's not really the main attraction here, so I'll just show you the box. It kind of shows what's in there. Alright, now what you guys all want to see, the speaker.
6.3-inch woofers.
What was that, Greg?
I think it has 6 3-inch woofers.
Yeah,
or 3.5.
6 3.5-inch woofers on it, and a folded Motion tweeter design. If you're looking for a clean speaker and you don't want to do in-wall this is the way to go. I mean, this thing is beautiful. And it's affordable. Retail on it is $6.99. Back of the speaker. It has nice push button terminals. Rubber feet, keep it from scratching the wall. And here's the anchor points where the bracket actually slips in. Like this. Like that. Very simple. And the front of the speaker has a magnetic mesh grill, which is optional. You can either leave on or take off, depending on the look you like. Simple as that. 3.5-inch woofers, 6 of them, which will make sure to keep your clarity and your dialogue clear. It's not too bassy. And this is the folded motion tweeter. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up shot of it. Very well built speaker. Definitely no complaints here. And the back, there's the terminals, a closer view of them. All right, well, that concludes the unboxing of the SLM XL from MartinLogan. If you guys are interested in seeing the installation of this product, as well as the final result of this theater room and the full installation, make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe. We have a lot of tips and recommendations for different products in the home theater industry. This is the MartinLogan SLM XL. My name is Zach with Dream Media. If you liked this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching.